Hey, how y'all doing? This is Will from Say How You Feel. Yeah, this is Will from Say How You Feel, and I came by today just to do a quick video. I am doing, I just got an order, maybe 20, 30 minutes ago, and when I get them, I just like to do them from up. I might as well. So, this is the design, Inkjet transfer. I'm going to go ahead and hit it. It's just one of those things of, it's really not rocket science to this. You get your heat press, get your nice little printer. I'm going to turn around and see if you can see this printer right quick. This is the one of my Epson printers. This is my Epson 446. And the whole thing about that is it allows for, it's an 8.5 by 11 printer. I think it might go up to 8 by 14. I was just pre-pressing. Whatever goes up to, but at the end of the day, the thing about that printer is it's great quality, and it does wonders for smaller jobs. Like I won't use it for my bigger sizes because I can't. It won't work. But like I got an order last night, which was just a picture and some text, which I did in vinyl, and I did the picture, of course, in Inkjet transfer on white shirts. And they brought the shirts. Here's the thing. They brought the shirts, a couple of them anyway, and the bigger sizes, they brought. And I still, charged made a nice little profit off of it because it was last minute. This, of course, I'm making a nice little profit just off the cuff. The shirt might run me, everybody's different because it depends on where you get your wholesaler at. Say the shirt is $5. This was including the print, maybe $2 some change. And I could trim it, but it's whatever. I'll press it on, put it on here, right? Check the specs, make sure everything's good. 30 seconds. You can pause it. So, it was supposed to be, are you recording? Okay, so I'm not going to edit any of this out, just so this is just a quick video, just so people can see what we do, how we get it in, how we make it shake. Yeah. So, this is, now the thing about the paper that we have at SayHowYouFeelSupplies.com, the thing about that paper is this. It is a hot and a cold and a warm peel. Now, you have several ways you can let this cool off quickly. You can do this, take it off the press, and just let it do the do. Or you can put it against a door or a wall, and it'll snatch the heat out. The whole purpose of doing that is, to me, it gives a better pull because it gives time for the ink. You see what I'm saying? You press it against the wall like this. Right? And that'll pull the ink out, that'll pull the heat out. So then you this is the design. Boom, but bang. Nice little medium shirt. I'm all in the shirt, maybe. If you had to guess, baby, what would you say? $7? If they, let me start. Come over here right quick. Now you get your Teflon sheet.
That's not a Teflon sheet.
Parchment paper, Teflon sheet, whatever you want to call it.
It's not a Teflon sheet.
Okay, but they know what it is. But the bang, but the bang. Not. You know what I'm saying? Okay, a parchment paper.
And how long were you leaving it on?
5 more seconds, 10 more seconds. I'll be honest with you. I've walked away and let it sit the whole 30 seconds before. It came out just fine. Right? You stretch it. a little bit, bam. Your choice finished. Got a finished product. Now, so the next thing you'll see me do is, I may do a quick video on just me prepping, me packaging up for shipping and all of that. Just so you can see how I do it. I usually put a coupon in the code, a code coupon, and I'll put a code coupon. I'll put a maybe a bracelet or something in it. Then I package it up, put it in a bag, put the size on it, and I ship it off. So with that being said, y'all have a great day. Be blessed. See you on the other side. Like, share, subscribe, and at the end of the day, please keep saying how you feel. Peace.